Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for your government vehicle number plate online. First, gather essential documents like your vehicle's registration certificate and a valid proof of identity. Make sure your internet connection is stable and ready for use. Have your preferred payment method prepared, as there will be a fee. These initial steps ensure a smooth and efficient application process from the very beginning. To begin, you need to locate the official government vehicle registration portal, which is specific to your region. If you are a new user, please take a moment to create an account and then proceed to log in with your new credentials. Once inside the dashboard, you will easily find the section dedicated to applying for a new number plate. This ensures you are on the correct path for your important application. Carefully fill out the online application form, ensuring all vehicle details match your registration certificate exactly. You will then need to upload clear, scanned copies of all required supporting documents. Always take a moment to double-check every piece of information for accuracy before moving forward. The system is designed to highlight any missing or incorrect entries, helping you avoid common mistakes. Focus on the legitimate and fun ways to build your knife collection within MM2. Opening mystery crates is a popular method, offering a chance at obtaining rare and unique items. You can also actively participate in special seasonal events and complete challenges to unlock exclusive knives that cannot be found elsewhere. Trading with trusted players is another excellent way to exchange items fairly, ensuring both parties benefit and no one loses their valuable assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.